Hey guys, how's it going? Today's going to be another short video, unfortunately, because I've got a really crazy weekend ahead and I haven't had a whole bunch of time this week either to film a bunch of stuff besides the live stream that we got done. But I do want to put out more updates about everything that's going on at the observatory because it's really important to just keep throwing videos out there. So I wanted to talk about, first, we received in the mail our cloud key from Ubiquiti. We're really excited to get this installed. This is the last piece that we need to get the ball rolling on the network. And what this is going to function as is a network control device. So right here on the back, you plug in an Ethernet cable, then it plugs into a switch, and it acts as your router, your gateway, all that kinds of stuff. And this is going to allow us to hardwire the telescope, the computers down here, other telescopes, computers downstairs, TV screens, all that stuff will be able to be shared directly on the network at really high speeds. So I'm very excited about that, getting this installed. In other news, we have yet to purchase the other networking equipment, specifically like the cables, the connectors, all that, just because no one else is in the association has been able to come up and talk to me about this yet, and I just need to have more communication with people before we go ahead and spend some money on things like that. So I'm going to make sure that all those bases are covered before we go ahead with that. And also, with the weather right now, we are really unfortunately getting screwed by the forest fires around us. The Bolt Creek fire is really bad right now. It's been burning for a few months, and due to a lack of rain here, if we are looking at, let's go to our weather real quick, we've received 0 rain this month, and here, let me see, there you go, there's my mouse, excuse me. We haven't received any rain since we started tracking this data about a week or two ago. We haven't received any rain, so this is really not good, and we are unable to get rid of this smoke problem that we've been having for the past few weeks. It's just lingering, and we had a few clear days. Luckily, when I was doing that live stream, we had good weather, but it really depends on the wind and where the fires are blowing, and it's very unpredictable when we're going to have good weather. So it's been tough for us to do any astrophotography. Otherwise, I would be doing more live streams out here and showing more of the stuff that's going on. Anyways, that's all I really could talk about in this video. Unfortunately, I gotta get going to the rest of my work and a long weekend. I don't think there's going to be any more videos uploaded this weekend. Maybe I'll have something, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll be back for sure next week to talk more about what's going on, do some more live streams, and fingers crossed we get some rain. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.